You know what's the best thing with Shopify? It's a 14 days free trial that Shopify offers. So let's not waste a single minute and let's get the Shopify free trial. So first of all, let's head towards the Shopify website, shopify.com. So here you can see there is a 14 days free trial button. Shopify offers 14 days free trial. It's a very great initiative by Shopify. It lets you know that whether Shopify is good for your business or not, whether you will be comfortable using Shopify with your business model or not, whether you will be comfortable with the dashboard of Shopify or not. So you can test Shopify for 14 days absolutely free of cost. So let's hit the 14 days free trial button. So first of all, you have to enter your email address. So let's enter the email address. And now you have to choose the password for your Shopify account. And next is the store name. So when you're using Shopify free trial, your store name and .myshopify.com is the URL of your store basically. So let's name our Shopify store the Brain Lab. Let's hope it's available. No, it's not available. Let's add some number, maybe 01. So yes, it's available. The Brain Lab 01.myshopify.com will be the URL of my store. Let's hit create your store. So our account is getting set. Now you have to answer some questions. Are you already selling? Okay, I'm just playing around. So you can answer, there's no specific answers for this. You can just answer according to yourself. So it's not like that if you don't answer this right, you'll not get the Shopify account. You can just answer these questions on your own. What is the current revenue? Okay, just getting started. Let's do like electronics maybe, or I've not decided yet. Next. With Shopify Platform, you can reach customers across a multiple sales channel and make more sales. Let's know where else you'd like to sell when you launch your Shopify. I'm not sure yet. Next. So country, region, Pakistan. First name, Brain, last name, Lab, address, Pakistan, city, Islamabad, postal, let's leave it empty. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this store is a registered business. No, enter my store. What's left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm just adding this data randomly, so it's not. But if you are serious about your store, then you have to enter this data like seriously with correct information. So here is the dashboard. You can see that here you can see some buttons: home, orders, products, and till apps. This is used to view your Shopify store basically. This is what the home tab displays. So this home tab displays this dashboard basically. So you can add product, customize. We're not concerned with this right now. We're only concerned with the Shopify free trial. So you can see that this is the name or is the URL of the store, the brainlab01.myshopify.com. Here you can click on this link to view your Shopify store. So it's loading, and you have to click this I button. So this is your store basically. It's the basic template that everyone gets. So now let's get back to the dashboard. So here's the dashboard basically. Okay, so here you can see that your trial just started. You can select a plan by clicking on this button. If you want to know more about the Shopify plans, you can click on the I button, and I have created a video that what plan would be best for your business. Also, just real quick, if you like this video, just give this video a thumbs up, and I'll appreciate if you if you'll leave a comment in the comment section as well. So here you can see that there are 3 plans listed here: basic Shopify plan, and advanced Shopify plan. Here is the pricing. You can add the credit card information to get this plan, and you'll charge when your trial is over. So you can get the give the credit card information, but you'll charge when the trial is over. So either you can pay with credit card or you can use the PayPal to purchase this plan. Now let me tell you that why I'm saying that you'll charge after the trial is over. There is a reason behind that. Because when you're using Shopify free trial, your e-commerce store is not visible to anyone else. The reason being, it's password protected. Let me check. Let me copy the link and let me open it in another tab. Here you can see that it's opening soon, and yes, it's password protected. Enter using password. So no one can see your Shopify store. So if you use any of these plans, so your account would be visible. Also, you will be charged only when you cancel the plan. You will be charged when your Shopify free trial is over. So you can see if Shopify isn't for you, cancel before 4 May and you won't be charged. So you can cancel before the 14 days are over and you will not be charged. So these were the 2 important questions that the new Shopify owner do ask, that can we publish our Shopify store within the 14 days free trial? So technically you can create, set up and add products to your store within the 14 days free trial, but you won't be able to process payments and make any sales until you have a plan selected. The other question is, can you cancel the plan before your trial is expired? And if so, do you still get charged for the plan you selected? So the answer to the first part of the question is that yes, you can cancel the plan before your trial is expired. Now coming towards the other part of the question. So no, you won't get charged as long as it's before trial is expired. You won't be charged before the trial is expired. So this is how you'll get the free trial, and this is what is included in the free trial. It's an amazing thing if you want to test the Shopify, that how it will help your business, how it will help you, and is it good for you, is it not good for you. All these questions will be answered using the Shopify free trial. So this was it from this video. I hope that you like the video. If you do, give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions, just leave it down in the comment section and I'll make sure to read all the comments, and I'll make sure to reply all the comments as well. So this was it from this video. I'll see you in the next video, inshallah. Till then, Allah Hafiz.